Tomorrow Amphitheater, gonna drive all the way here to the park entrance, then have to park the back key here, and then walk all the way to the Gorge walk. That is 5 or 6 hours, and it's like this area, and then come back and drive back. And next time maybe like the caveman painting. I don't know. I'll see the weather. Five months later, this time, from April 1st to May 1st, I will attempt to do another 500 kilometers. I don't know if it's realistic, but let's try for the sake of training. Finally, the Drakensberg. Bon, I just recalculated 500 kilometers, not possible. It is possible, but full-time possible. And I need a challenge like the Lithuanian way to do so. So, I just compile everything, every kilometer that I walk, and I'll just summarize it as like 285 kilometers in the Drakensberg.
Oh, the Gorge Trail, Bergville.
Oh, crab! Sap! Ah, c'est juste 700 mètres de dénivelé, ça va bien. Here I go. Up. And I bless the rains down in Africa. Oh, woo! It's big. Oh, chain ladder is closed until further notice. Oh. Le tunnel. Ensuite, je vais regarder sur le plan, qu'est-ce qu'il faut que je fasse. Parce que là, the chain ladder doesn't work. Should I take it or not? Safety reason, it says. Je pense que that's the end of it. I think somebody's living here.
Well, my name is Clifford. I'm a South African citizen. My origin, if I talk of my tribe, they come from Zambia. Grew up in St. Lucia, which is a little town on the north coast of KwaZulu-Natal. As I grew up, it became part of my life because in St. Lucia, as I said, it's a little town that's very few people live in there, and sometimes it's boring because you know everybody in there. So I always needed to meet new friends and make up new friends, and of course meet up new people. And of course I love nature because it's part of the community in St. Lucia. You can see hippos, even leopards on the street. Then later on, because I didn't see myself as a guide, but the people that I show around, even as far as in Kozi or Tukue, I never knew that I was actually guiding until the people that I showed around and guided without knowing that I'm guiding, because it was just my hobby. And to ask me why I am not a tour guide, because I was already doing it. And I felt, okay, then since I haven't studied much, I haven't gone further with my education due to the fact that I come from disadvantaged background and I couldn't afford to go further. The only option was just to go into tourism because it was already my hobby. And doing it, it's for me, it's not a career, but a lifestyle. And also, it's a privilege that it actually pays bills doing something that I really love.
Oh! Tu m'as bien surpris. Hey! Sphinx buck! Commence à pleuvoir. Started raining. That doesn't look good. That looks good. This is where I'm going. Et c'est ce qui termine celle-là. L'orage, thunderstorm on the way. Started raining again. So met amazing people on that one. Clifford and his crew. And my Bucky is not that far from here. Oh yeah. And remember, keep on trekking.
Second project days in the grotto. The grotto. From here to the bench with the seat. Side. That's from here. It's all the way up there. Then slowly here. And shit's it. Yeah. I'll try to go to the Cannibal Cave. Cannibal Cave. Guru. Fait que je devrais arriver. Should come back from there. But I'm going there.
Wow! Wow! Son of a gun! Gorge. Castle Rock.
Aucune idée. J'espère qu'il va faire beau.
So,
change of plans. Change of plans. Bit of tar road. Time to dry the clothes. Ooh! I didn't know that. Oh, that sucks. Here, climb the Sphinx, and all the way to Blindman's Corner. Beyond Blindman's Corner, be prepared for extreme change in the weather. So, 14 and back for today. So that's 12 kilometers, 6 hours.
Blindman Corner.
Hope it's gonna get a bit more sunny, but also I don't want it to be sunny. C'est la vie.
Ça pompe, mais c'est facile.
Nice.
Ah, the sun is up now.
Ah, way better, but I forgot my hat. Past the Nice Mass Corner, this is where the maps end. So, I'm gonna do, I don't know, 2 Ks, 3 Ks this way, and then come back. That's the plan. What's up, Shane? Ouais, je pense que ça va être fait pour le lundi. 11.6.
And this is where I stopped. The alarm just rang. So
Okay.
11.6 from parking lot.
11.6. Yeah, mine said, yeah, 11.8. Okay, so
My Canadian app is like always on point. I don't know why. Like
Yeah.
even on this side of the world, it's just like almost to the minute. I'm just like, how Canada knows that? Like this is crazy.
yeah, that's crazy. But it's nice. The guy said there's a small bush camp around here, and then there's the key bush camp is still up.
Ah, cool.
Got 2 kilos, but yeah, we're also just going to have something to eat now, and then we're going back.
Perfect.
Okay.
Wish you the best.
Bye-bye. See you as well. Bye-bye.
Da-da-da-da. Okay, from the camping to Rio shop. 1, 2, 4, and go up 15, 16 to the Makhulumane Rock. And down there, I'll go back by the forest. We'll see. Oh, good morning. Today on the show we have a very special guest to me. Where are we going, Mimi? Where we going?
I don't know.
Expedition leader. Mais t'es capable, go, 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 action shot, action shot. C'est chambral là. Une chance ils ont mis de la broche. How's it?
Oh,
How's it?
ow.
How's it?
Not very good. That trail is very wild. I got the impression that I'm stepping on my shoelace, like my own shoelace, all the time, because there's too much grass.
Beautiful Drakensberg. Documentary! It sounds like a river. River, waterfall river. That's so nice.
But you stay at the suburb.
Gecko? And the path right there, the path right there. There's a little bridge. That's Blindman. That's pretty.
like a bit like normal. Like I can stand here. Ah, finalement trouvé le chemin. C'est beau, ça c'est beau, ça c'est beau. Balancing Rock, here we are. Bridge crossing. Let's go, l'hôtel 5 étoiles, let's go! Je m'attendais pas à ça ce matin. Woo! Bounce, bounce, come on, bounce! C'est beau l'Afrique du Sud. Nice trail today. Moderate, easy to moderate. But this to the Balancing Rock is going to be moderate to difficult, I guess. Yeah. To the end, et de deux. On the top of the Drakensberg Hotel, backpacker, Dam Lake. J'ai descendu ça à pied. Okay, back. Going back home for today. Try to set a little 20 kilometers on the clock today. And yeah, it's wonderful. Not easy. Beautiful day. It was supposed to rain. Wonderful time. That's a good one. Ah non, je suis pris là. Let's go. Un là, un là. Ah, yeah. Ça termine bien, ça.